All right. Last time we looked at HTML paragraph, and I showed us how we can go about this. In case you are new to this video, I really want you to go back and check out the series. Make sure you follow step by step, okay, so that you can be able to cope up with whatever we have right now. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is actually to break our paragraphs or break our code lines in our on the web. Okay, what I mean by that is actually maybe there is a point you want to break to come to a new line on your website. How can we go about it? That is just really what I want to show us right now. So how you can go about it is you just come back to your code. Let me say as immediately after this place I want to add a line break to it. Okay, there is a keyword for that, or there is an element for that. It basically br as such. Okay, br. All right, so in case you type in, remember I typed in br and the ms abbreviation came out and I just had to click on it. Okay, in case you don't have the ms activated on your system, because actually it should be, like I always mention, it should be activated automatically on your PC. Okay, but basically it's just for you to just type in like this, and then that goes about it. So what happened is that immediately after this ea and command, the line breaks on our web. Okay, as you can see, immediately after the ea and command, the line automatically breaks, and that basically it. And if perhaps you want to add also to maybe here before the Amet Netus, okay, you can just go ahead and just say br the same way, sorry. Okay, just go ahead and type it and it breaks your line for you, as easy as that can be. And that's all you have to know about HTML line breaks. All right, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, and also share the video. You can also comment bad venture there is something that I'm missing, or maybe there's a question you have. I really want you to comment that particular question or your concerns down in the comment section. Thank you, and I'll be really expecting that